Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to react to this comment on my YouTube channel. My name is Clayton J on YouTube. Go follow me if you haven't. So yes, right here it says, I'm just saying we don't care if you're trans. What good does it do to know you're trans? It doesn't help us at all. And the first thing I gotta say about that means it's not the video for you, you know? My videos are trans related. That means it's for the trans or LGBTQ plus people, not you. Obviously you don't care, then don't watch the video. It's that easy, you know? Don't waste your time. And then right here, don't want to hear a bunch of this gay that we are tired of hearing all this bullshit. Well, what's gay? Like, what's that mean? Like, a bunch of gay? It was literally, I'm gonna show you what video it was.
I know that song
It was
is
this
like,
one. Don't get
ain't got shit on.
So it was literally just like pictures of me pre-T versus now on testosterone. So I don't know why I get a lot of hate, you know. All us LGBTQ members get a lot of hate, and it's crazy how much hate we get. Like, there's hate right there, and here's more hate right here. Like, why do you guys take time out of your day to hate? Like, I'm just living my life. You know, I got one life. I'm going to live it the way I want. Yes, I'm trans. If you don't support, cool. It's not the video for you to watch. You know, I don't know how people, I don't know how people have that mindset where they just think that they can hate on other people. Like, that's crazy. I don't have that mindset, you know? I don't think there's anything I hate about other people unless you're hurting someone else. You can do whatever you want with your life, you know? If it's not affecting anyone else, do what you want, you know. I don't care, and I'm not like forcing my LGBT on anyone. You know, I make educational videos for the LGBT community, and if you're not a part of that, you don't have to watch, you don't have to follow. It's that easy. But I think these are all hilarious. Like, instead, just skip the video. You know how many videos I don't like or not interested in? I don't write anything like this. I literally just scroll, you know, or, you know, there's always a button where you can press and it will say, like, not interested. Instead of doing all this, like, what is this going to do for you? Are you happy now? I mean, I know I'm hot, though. Like, a glow down, like, first of all, either way, like, pre-T, if you're saying I look hot or pre-T, okay, cool. Like, I was, like, that's how I look pre-T. I mean, I was pretty hot pre-T. I'm going to show you a picture. Like, come on. I'm actually pretty hot. Like, look at that. That smile, that hair. Here, another one. I am kind of chubby, though. Like, my face is kind of chubby. Now look at me. I guess I have the beard to kind of hide all the chub now. Ooh, look at my serious face. Come on, all these. I'm pretty hot in all these, okay? But I do think testosterone did make me hotter. Like, look at that. And can't forget about my top surgery. My top surgery made me look a lot hotter. Oh, yeah, that's a hot man.